Hello my crafty friends. Today I just have a quick video to share with you some new products that are hitting the Spellbinders website tomorrow. These items were all sent to me free of charge from Spellbinders, and of course I will play with them and see what I think. I want to thank Spellbinders for being so generous and giving me the opportunity to try out their new items and put them to great use in my upcoming videos. So the first item we have here is glitter cardstock. This is the spring tone assortment. So I have not pulled any of this out yet, but I did pierce the top of it. So let's see what these colors look like. I've had their black and I think I have silver, or no, I think I have their silver cardstock. Silver, and I might have their gold. I know I have their silver. Ooh, these are pretty. I had not gotten their colored ones before though. They had jewel tones at Christmas. So these are really pretty. I like these a lot. And they're no shed glitter. I like that. And weight-wise, does it say what their weight is? Let's see. 300 GSM, so that's about 100 pounds, 100, 110. They feel right at 100, maybe a little less than 100 is what they feel to me if I'm thinking about a piece of cardstock. But I love the glitter in them. They are not just a one color glitter. I don't know if you can see that. It's kind of a multicolor glitter. It's really, really pretty. So I like these colors. It says the colors are dark pink, light pink, aqua, green, and white. So let me look at this white. Yeah, the white is like an icicle, almost like an iridescent prism kind of white, rather than white. It's got like a holographic white, I guess you could say, in it. See, well, that's the reflection from my light, but just to give you an idea. So that is the first item that they sent. The second is this warm tone pack and cool tone pack of pop-up die cutting foam sheets. These sheets, ooh, that's a loud noise. These sheets are kind of like your fun foam, and they do not have glitter on them. They are solid foam sheets. They can run through your die cut machine and are sold in packs of 20 is what the website says. Now I have a pack here of one of each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have a pack of one of each. Just want to make sure. Yes. So this is a sample package, but on the website it says it's a 20 pack, and the colors here for the warm tones are red, berry, orange, sunflower, cocoa, rose, blush, peach, pale yellow, and tan. So those are the colors that the website stated. And I really, really am liking these pale colors. I really like these. Now these can be die cut with any of your dies. So you can make your flowers out of them. You can also use these to pop up your layers. If you don't want like your foam tape to show, you can coordinate these colors with your item that you're popping up, whatever color cardstock you're using. And that way, when the person tilts the card, you won't see the adhesive foam in there because it's going to be colored to match. So that's the beauty of having this in different colors, is to coordinate with your cardstocks. So that's another way it can be used in a strategic way. And it die cuts like a dream. I actually have some of theirs that have the glitter on one side. and it die cuts and is beautiful for like your flower embellishments or centers, and it just die cuts perfectly. So I know this is also going to die cut just beautifully. So that is the warm tone pack. Let's look at the colors here in the cool tones. Hold your ears. I'm sure that microphone's picking up that craziness even louder. So here are these colors. And these colors are navy, Kelly, cobalt, purple, wine, spring, aqua, cornflower, lilac, and orchard. I like these purples. These navy. These are gorgeous colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And these really do look like they coordinate with the papers pretty well. Because like here, I know right behind me, let me grab it. Here's the Cosmic Sky paper from Spellbinders. So let's say you're die cutting a shaker window here and you want to pop it up and make your shaker frame. You could use this, die cut your piece, put it under here, and that's going to give you your whole shaker raised piece. And when they tilt it, they're not going to see that unsightly white of the foam because it's going to coordinate. So that's the beauty, and that's probably how I will use it, is with my cardstocks. But I could also see using it as embellishments as well. So then, I'm excited about these. The Mighty Mr. Spray Bottle. This one, let me open this here. I've actually seen this one popping up in sneak peeks on some of my influencing friends' videos. And I did not realize I left my light on there, so I've got a reflection there. But this water bottle, oh, this looks nice. A heavy-duty spray nozzle there. So let's see what this packaging says. And I'm going to put a piece of this foam right here just to cover up that reflection. Usually I turn off my upper light so that you don't see the reflection in the videos. So this spray bottle says to lightly mist the cardstock with water before inserting it in to any embossing folder to help the paper fibers flex during pressing. Mist water, because this is a mist spray. It's not a direct spray. When you push it, it has a broad mist. So mist spray across watercolor palette and prepare your paints for use. Mist watercolor paper to prepare for wet-to-wet paint techniques. Or use the Mighty Mr. Spray Bottle with any dye-based ink, pigments, or other mixed media projects or products. So I'm going to pause the video real quick, go fill her up, and we will take a look. Okay, we are back, and I have filled the bottle with water. So let's see. Okay. Oh, so you can control if you want a small mist, or if you want to pull the whole thing, a larger mist. Okay, I like that. And I like, it feels like it's very ergonomic to your hand, because I have some joint pain in my hand. So it feels very comfortable and ergonomic in my hand. Now, when this is the one I use currently, the Tim Holtz Distress, and I'm always, a lot of times, I can get droplets with this one if I want them, and you're not going to get that with the sprayer, but it's more direct, and it doesn't give a mist, like it's just a single spot. So like, I know I'm making a mess here on my glass mat, but it's like more, like that's the whole spray right there. If I pull the whole handle, this is the amount of water I'm getting. Whereas if I pull the whole handle here, I'm getting a more gentle, light mist here instead of a lot of droplets in one area. So I can see embossing folders, that's going to be wonderful. Or like your watercolor paper. I can totally see why that's going to be a good item to have in the craft room. So we'll set that right there. And then the last item are these large blender brush heads. Oh, that's interesting. Now these here were given out to us in the Caboodle last month. If you were a Club Kit member and you ordered the Caboodle Club Kit last month in December, you received a 3-pack. I actually have the package here. The 3-pack as your goodie, your free item in December. So I played with these in a previous video and I really liked them. I enjoyed them. And now look at the size difference though. That is going to be great for a background. So we're definitely going to have to do a background with those. It's going to do a lot of space. Now, inking that up with an ink cube is probably not going to be easy to do. So, because that is a pretty, look at the size of that compared to my palm. So it's definitely going to be something you use with ink pads. So keep that in mind if you're only an ink cube girl. I probably wouldn't use these with an ink cube. So because of the size, these definitely with ink cubes work. But I mean, it would work, but it would take a lot of work for you to get that full with the ink cube. So keep that in mind when you're picking and choosing. You don't want to get it home and then not be able to ink it properly. And let me give you a comparison here to an Altenew ink blend, the large blending brush. This is the size difference in the Altenew. Now these are the ones that are really expensive. They're really at a high price point. Now you can get these though on sale. If you watch Altenew sales, you can get them at a really good price point on sale. But these I call the Cadillac of brushes for backgrounds because they do a really good job. And you get what you pay for a lot of times. So when it's something that I'm really, really passionate about, I will pay the extra money for it. And that's what I've done here with my little Cadillac brushes. So I will be interested to know how these two compare in doing backgrounds. So that's going to have to be something I do here in the future. But I just wanted to give you a comparison on size. There's the side view and the top view. So this is a larger coverage. I feel like this is a cat almost. It's like it's so soft. I just want to pet it. It's like I don't even want to put ink on it. It's so soft and I just want to pet it. Isn't that crazy? So like I need to get some ink on it so I don't do that. That's kind of weird. but I just wanted to give you that comparison. I think it's a good way to, if you have something or you're considering purchasing something, to have an idea of how it compares next to something else. So I think that is everything for right now. So I'm going to go and start playing with these new items. I just wanted to share them with you first. I hope you guys have a great and crafty day, and check out the website tomorrow when these new products release in the Spellbinders store. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.